me, an event like this is 1 + 1 = 110. It's 110 people speaking 20 plus languages who are all coming together as one entity.
It was super inspiring when I first entered the conference room and saw 110 people. I've been here since the beginning, and I remember meetings with 10 people, maybe 15 people. Growth is so amazing.
My experience with Infuse has been wonderful, honestly. I started as a client of Infuse, and that's when I learned about some of the amazing products. And I'm super excited that I'm here because my experience has already been amazing up to being an employee, and now that I get to work here, I can really stand behind something I truly believe in. So I'm hyped.
I love the educational part of it. I love learning about the sales process, and I got really inspired by learning from real professionals from the industry.
It's like doing an MBA in sales, which is not available anywhere else in the world.
I think the biggest thing for me about this kind of event is the collaboration that you can do, or meeting people from other parts of the world, not only for personal growth, but also from a work perspective. It's so much easier to collaborate globally when you know someone by face.
Cliche, but really the best connections I made was actually with my own team. This was an awesome opportunity to get together, forget about Zoom, forget about like virtual stuff. It's like real in-person event. So it was awesome.
Enjoying all the fun activities here. We are socializing currently at a ranch, so getting a chance to rope. Maybe we'll do some line dancing. It's been a great week.
I feel that now I can just go back and just smash it because like I feel so pumped.
I'm Alex Kessler, and this is Infuse.